Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be on this sexy, sultry, smoky eye I have going on right here. I did get a request to do an easy smoky eye tutorial. I used about 3 brushes, an affordable palette, so I think it's something pretty easy to recreate if you are not that talented in smoky eyes or if you're not a makeup artist. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, let's get into it. So excuse my face. My skin has been playing me, like really playing me this last month. Like I don't even know what to do with it. I've been like changing up my skin routine to see if like that helps, and I don't even know. I think I'm gonna go to Ulta and just buy like a whole bunch of new skincare products to see if anything works, because I broke out and now I have like dark spots and like texture, and it's just a mess. For the eyes, I'm gonna go into this e.l.f. palette. It's a matte for matte, I think it is. I don't even know what it's called. It says 83325 matte on the back of it, and it says matte for matte right here, but there's like a whole bunch of different matte for matte palettes with e.l.f. But it looks like this. It looks like a very neutral smoky palette. My eyes are already primed and my eyebrows are done. So with that Morphe M433 brush, I'm gonna dip into this brown shade right here and perhaps mix it a little bit with this like nude shade, and then we're gonna start packing this on the outer corner and crease, but really concentrating this low on the eye. And I don't want to drag too much in the inner corner, so I'm just gonna really concentrate that in the outer corner and then drag my brush slightly to the middle and inner corner, but with like no additional product on it. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush. I believe this is a small crease brush, or just, yeah, it's a regular crease brush, but it's a little bit smaller and it has like a dome effect to it. So then we are gonna go into this dark cool tone brown shade right here. So take the brush, tap off the excess, dab it a little bit on your hand so it's not straight up color, and then we're gonna drag this on our lash line and start flicking it outward. I'm dragging it a little bit to the crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the original brush I used and just blend everything out. No product on it. I mean, this eye look is all about blend, blend, and blend, because that is what a smoky eye is about. You basically just gotta color, blend, color, blend. That's just how smoky eyes are. So I'm gonna repeat that step one more time just to deepen out the outer corner. And then we're gonna move on to the black. Back in with the Morphe brush to blend everything out with no additional product on it. I forgot to mention that I started with a bare face because this is a smoky eye. I usually do my foundation first and then I do my eyes because I really don't do dramatic looks. But for a smoky eye, and I know it might get a little messy or whatnot, I just didn't put my foundation on first, so I started with a bare face. I just wanted to point it out if you guys didn't notice. So now let's go into the black shade in the palette with that same e.l.f. brush. Let's go into the black, tap off the excess, and then do the exact same thing we did with the dark brown. Back to the Morphe brush, and let's just blend everything out. So now I want to dip back into this lighter shade that we kind of mixed in with the brown shade in the beginning, and I kind of want to drag that in the crease and a little bit towards the inner corner, just to blend everything out. I do want to leave like my inner corner mostly bare, like very light, but I don't want it to be just my bare skin. I want it to like blend smoothly. So now I want to take this flat definer brush and go in with the black shade and line my lash line just at the edges. I really want that smoky effect in the outer corner of the eyes because it will enlarge your eyes as far as it making them more like almond shape and give you just that cat eye effect that you typically want in a smoky eye. Okay, so now to really define like the edges, I'm gonna go take a wipe, a makeup wipe. I don't really have a makeup wipe on hand, so I'm gonna use a baby wipe and then just clean up the outer corner. So now that our top lids are done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to foundation, so then we can continue on to the lower lash line. All right guys, I am back. I did the rest of my face, blush, bronzer, highlight, all of that. I just left my lips undone so I could do that on camera for you guys, just cause. So let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take that e.l.f. brush that I used in the outer corners, but I'm gonna dip it into the first two shades we used, the brown and the lighter shade. And then we're just gonna run that on our lower lash line. Concentrating this more on the outer corner, of course. And let's go into the dark brown shade, basically using the same colors we used on the eye. And now we're really just focusing that in the outer corner. Now let's go into the flat definer brush and go into the black shade. We're gonna put that real close to our lower lash line. Kind of merge it with the top lash line. And then we're gonna take that e.l.f. brush again and just blend everything out. So now I'm gonna take a black liner and just line my waterline and tight line as well. Now I'm gonna coat my lashes with a little bit of mascara because we are gonna put lashes. I'm using Pure lashes. Pure, no, I'm using Pure. I got them in a BoxyCharm. I will link them down below because I don't really have the box with me right now. Bear with me guys, you already know that lashes are not my strong suit. I hate putting them on, but I feel like this look, even though like, look, this eye right here has no lashes and it still looks nice. I mean, I didn't like drench my lashes in mascara like I usually do. You can still rock this look without lashes, but it just looks so much nicer and sexier when you have lashes on. You do have to fix the glue a little bit. It's the thing about lashes, you gotta kind of like put liner and it's just a mess. Let's pop these on. Let's go back into the black shade with the flat definer brush. And I'm just going to drag some shadow. Can you guys see what I'm doing? You guys can't see what I'm doing. Just because of the band, like I feel like you could see it. So let's just, it has kind of like an eyeliner band. Like if you have other lashes, they probably won't do this, but this lash specifically has like a liner band so you don't have to really put eyeliner on, which is like a good thing if you're using them fully, but since I cut them, it's kind of not a good idea. And I'm gonna go into my mascara and just really focus it on the inner corners just so it matches. Yes, I'm totally digging this like smokiness. I love it. All right, now let's just finish off with some lips. I'm gonna use this lip combo, which is the Tarte Rainforest lipstick in the shade Colada. I love this. I've used this on my channel before. And I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Moonchild. It's the KathleenLights collab with ColourPop. Let's put some MAC Fix Plus to set everything in. Alright guys, this is the final look. It is a pretty easy smoky eye. You only used about 3 brushes and you used one palette that is super affordable. I think it's like 10 bucks, or you could probably even get it for like $8, I think, because it's a pretty old palette and it's nice for a night out. It's like a pretty sexy smoky eye, which is what I was trying to achieve. You can pair it with lashes like I did, or you can go with your own lashes, whatever you'd like. I think it looks good both ways. I didn't really do an inner corner highlight. I didn't do a brow bone highlight. Like I said, pretty simple. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be. I am self-taught. I honestly learned through YouTube and just playing with makeup because I just love to play with makeup. So this is a technique that I honestly picked up online, like I just playing around with makeup and watching YouTube videos. So I figured this was pretty easy and nice, and I did get a request to do this video, so I thought I'd try it out for you guys. And honestly, I really like how it turned out. I think this is great for a night out, honestly. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And that's it. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.